Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming at you with a monthly video that I am going to be starting back up on my channel. It is going to be the BOXYCHARM unboxing. This retails for $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size really good products in this box. If you guys have not tried it out, definitely go and subscribe to this monthly subscription box. This is hands down the best one out there. The products that come in this box are so amazing. I'm in love with everything that I got in this box. If you want to see and check out what I got in this box, then go ahead and just keep on watching. I just went through this whole entire video without any mascara on my eyes. That's why I'm looking like a freak in this video, and I really don't want to refilm it, so sorry about that. So the first thing that came in this box was the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Now, this is a full-size product, and this thing looks so amazing, and it is Glam Glow. Like, look at the packaging. This looks so freaking beautiful. I cannot wait to try out this cleanser. It looks like it's going to be just so nice. I'm super excited to try out that cleanser and to see how well it cleanses my face. My guess is that it will clean it very well since it is Glam Glow, and Glam Glow is a really amazing brand. The next product that I have to talk to you about is the Color Shifting Pigments, the EYELINER Cream Shadow by CIT London. This is in the shade Cupid, and it's just this really pretty purple-ish, like orange reflective cream eyeshadow. This thing is so amazing and looks so beautiful on the eyes. That's the only thing that I have on my eyelids today, and it was really easy just to apply. I just patted it right on the lids, and it just looks so sparkly and pretty. I like this a lot. The next thing is the BODYOGRAPHY Emerald Eye Pencil. This is a wooden eye pencil, and the formula on it is really not my favorite at all. It is a little bit dry. I really did have to work it on my lower lash line, which it took me a little bit to buff out. All in all, I'm not mad at this product. Would I go out and buy it with my own money? Not really. I don't know if I'm going to use this again, but it's a good product to test out in the box. The next product that we got in this box was the Dose of Colors Rosebud Liquid Matte Lipstick. I really do like Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. They're so pretty, and this mauve purple color is so beautiful as well. These Dose of Colors lipsticks smell exactly like a baked good. It just smells like a sugar cookie. So that is one thing that it has going for it. This color is okay. It really does match the eyeshadow. Would I wear this on an everyday basis? No, I'm more of a nude brown type of person instead of this mauve purple color, but this was a really nice product to get in the box. And the last thing that came in the box was the ALAMAR Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I got mine in the shade Fair Light. I love this blush trio palette so much. I just mixed all of these colors in together and applied it right on my cheeks, and it just leaves your cheeks looking so flushed and flawless. I really love ALAMAR Cosmetics. This is actually mine. I previously had this. This is the one that came in the box. I'm just going to leave it sealed because I want to do a giveaway with this one. I love this blush palette so much, and I was so excited to see it come in the box. So I will be giving this away to one of you guys. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and leave one comment down below. And also leave me your Instagram handle, that way I can get a hold of you to tell you if you won or not. Yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!